Hello, everyone, and welcome to this session where we'll be looking at some high level overview of one of the most recent and one of the most spoken about technologies that has come up in the news today. Yes, you're thinking the right thing. I'm talking about Chat GPT. So, in this particular course, what we'll be doing is we'll be understanding the basic of what ChatGPT is, and then we'll also go looking into the various types of prompts that can be given to ChatGPT in order to make ChatGPT work for us. So let's quickly look at the agenda here. We'll be, as I've already said, looking at what ChatGPT is, and then we'll be looking at all of these various prompts or categories of prompts with various prompts within them to understand how ChatGPT works in a conversational manner. So let's quickly get started. So in order to work with ChatGPT, what we need to do is just go onto the ChatGPT GUI and start working with it. It's as simple as that. So we go onto our browser and we click on the address bar and type ChatGPT. This will lead us to the search page with the OpenAI website where ChatGPT actually resides. Click here and this would be the front page. If you click on this button called Try ChatGPT, you will be redirected to the GPT front end. Now here, as you can see, it gives a disclaimer stating that ChatGPT is currently experiencing very high demands. So currently, even though ChatGPT is very powerful when it comes to conversations, ChatGPT still has not been scaled to answer to very high demands. In any case, we could obviously look into ChatGPT. Now here, as you can see in the front end, we've got a number of examples or capabilities as well as limitations already provided. This gives us an example of how ChatGPT actually needs to be used. So as you can see, you can have very simple questions asked like explain quantum computing in simple terms. Now, as a person who does not have expertise here, this might be difficult for you to understand exactly what quantum computing is. But as you can see, a keyword simple terms is given here. So if we click on this and just click send or start the conversation, this is what it does. ChatGPT on its own will start creating the answer, writing it down, and you can read that, giving you at least a high-level overview of exactly what quantum computing is. Now, this was one of the examples of ChatGPT questions. In a similar manner, we've also got very generic prompts like got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday or how do I make HTTP requests in JavaScript. Now, this is where the conversations come in because as soon as I click on this creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday and click on send, after it has typed down all of the creative ideas that it has got from its whole search of the Google search engines. So as you can see, all of these are suggestions of what can be done in a 10-year-old's birthday party. Another follow-up prompt here could be, okay, now let's schedule a game plan for a 2-hour party based on whatever is above, right? And ChatGPT does not disappoint us here either. So as you can see, ChatGPT has actually started generating a complete plan with a time marker. So from the start till 15 minutes, we would be welcoming the guests, mingling with them, socializing, after which there would be some outdoor activity for half an hour. And then for another half an hour, there would be a craft party. For another half an hour, there would be a gaming party, and then so on and so forth till we don't complete our 2 hours. So this is how ChatGPT actually becomes conversational. Not only does it provide you with ideas, not only does it provide you with the answer, it also does following up to those answers or with those answers based on the type of prompts that you provided. Now with ChatGPT, it is very important to provide the right prompts. So in this particular session, what we're going to look into is exactly how do we provide the right prompts and what are the issues that we would face if we do not provide the right prompts. So let's quickly dive in.